these are quadruplets. So we're going to say quadruplets as our Tik-A Tee verbiage for this grouping or borrowed division, or more properly referred to as a tuplet, because yes, a quadruplet falls under the category of being a tuplet. Quadruplet is just a specific label or a specific type of tuplet. And before I get to the math of quadruplets, let me demonstrate what they sound like. What I'll do is a full measure of eighth notes with the typical breakdown, the normal breakdown of that dotted quarter note into 3 equal eighth notes. Then I'll do a measure of quadruplets, 2 full beats of quadruplets. And you'll hear how they sound like 16th notes, but with the Tik-A Tee verbiage, it's quadruplet. All right? I'll give myself a 2-measure count off. Here it is. 1, 2, ready, and T, 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 quadruplet, quadruplet. Let me do that again. It's really fun. Ready, and T, 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 quadruplet, quadruplet. In my opinion, that's actually more fun to say than ticka ticka. But anyway, that's what they sound like when applied to a 6/8 measure. Now, I'm not going to get too deep into the math of quadruplets, but they could be notated another way in 6/8, for example. Check out this center example right here. 4 dotted 16th notes is equivalent to that 4:3 ratio of quadruplets. How does that work out mathematically? Well, if you look at this example to the right-hand side, that's 1 beat in 6/8. Each one of those dotted 16th notes can be broken down into 3 32nd notes. So that 1 beat in 6/8 is broken down into 4 equal parts. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's your 4:3 ratio. That's the math behind it. Now, what would you see in music notation? Would you actually come across a 6/8 measure with a beat of 4 dotted 16th notes beamed together? Possibly. It's actually possible, but I would venture to guess that most of the time, if you're in 6/8 and they want quadruplets or that quadruplet sound, it will be notated like this one here on the left as quadruplets. All right, I don't know about you, but I'm excited to go find an exercise that has duplets and quadruplets. Let's go find one.